Hey boo. So, if you like Chinese style sausage, Lap Cheong, well, this is how I make mines. The way I make mines, I like it extra crispy. Mm-mm-mm. But here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do 4, okay? We're gonna cover with water just until it's gonna cover it. Okay, so that's good enough amount of water. Just let it cover all of them, okay? Okay, we're gonna bring this down to a 4. We're gonna bring this to a boil, to a low boil. Bring it to a boil first, and then we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna let that simmer until the water is like gone. Okay. Okay. Okay, see how the water is going? It's like a little slow medium boil. Get your top that's made for this pan, the pan that you're gonna use, and cover that mug. Let this thing set just like that for at least 25 minutes. Like, this shit's gonna come out so good. Promise you. Okay, if it's looking like this, the water, the flame is too high, okay? We gotta turn it down just a tad bit. Okay, and that's where you want it. I got mines at a 2.5. I'll show you. Oh, my bad. It's at a 2. So, and that's how it's looking. Rice time. I do my rice last with this because this takes 5 hours to cook, but it tastes so damn good. I don't know why it's gotta be like that, but I make my rice last. 1 cup of rice. This is the kind of rice I use. I use the California um, Calrose medium grain rice. So since it's just me eating, I'm only gonna do 1 cup of rice. So I'm gonna wash this rice, and I'm gonna add a cup of water and a half when I'm done. Add the cold water. Okay, you're gonna wash. You see all that white stuff? This is the first wash. You're gonna do this 3 times. Then strain. Get out all that murky water. Gonna fill it up again. Wash that mug. Drain. Get all the water out as much as possible. So you're gonna put 1 cup of water and a half cup of water. Then all you do is put your lid on and push the power button on your device. Okay, so it's time to drain the water out. And then we're gonna go into the frying part. Okay, now we drain the water. There's gonna be oil that's in the pan. Whatever gets left behind, that's cool too. Turn the flame up a little bit just to get it nice, get all that water off. And then I'm gonna go in with my chili oil. Bam. We're gonna give this a good scolding, okay? But we're gonna do this right. You're gonna wanna get all that oil. You wanna fry that mug. We're gonna be going like this so we can get every nook and cranny fried. Okay? You hear it? Fry that mug, honey. This is how I get mine perfect, crunchy, all the way around. I ain't got time for it to have a side of piece that's fried and crispy, and there's other pieces that's not. Nah, I like mine all the way crispy. You see how dark it's getting? Just keep doing it. Just keep rolling and rotating the links, the Lap Cheong, over this hot oil. Keep going. It's gonna get darker and darker. The more darker, the more spicy it's gonna be. Now it's done. It's perfect. And this is how you cut it if you desire it cut. Cut it in like little strips. Like that. Or get you some rice. Remember the way I cut it? It'll come out looking like this. Okay? Like me, just pick up the whole piece. Honey, get your rice, eat it together. Oh my god. I didn't put no seasoning on this except the chili oil. Oh my god, it's so good. This comes out so good. You guys gotta try this the way I do it. Thank me later. Babu, I gotta go. This is too good.